Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.56. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 0.54% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.08% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock resides in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $784.11 would initially signal a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.07% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 8.78% to 20.35%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 25.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 12.54% and 33.42% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range between $672.82 and $1,026.44. Our latest daily update for Meta brings the headline, Green Day on Friday for Meta. The Meta stock price increased by 0.98% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. The price rose from $761.83 to $769.30. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.49%, with a low of $758.58 and a high of $769.90. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, with a total gain of 7.94% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 7 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.58 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $784.70, while the lowest was $479.80. Currently, the price stands at 1.96%, or $15.40, below the 52-week high of $784.70, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms Inc. is making significant strides in the artificial intelligence sector. Recent news highlights the company's acquisition of an AI voice startup called Waveforms, which strengthens its superintelligence labs. This move aligns with the growing excitement surrounding AI, which has already propelled the stock market for major technology companies. In an environment where artificial intelligence is transforming digital advertising, Meta's latest earnings report exceeded Wall Street's expectations, indicating robust demand for its advertising services. Additionally, Meta is aggressively expanding its data center operations, partnering with top investment firms for a substantial financing round of $29 billion in rural Louisiana. This expansion is crucial for Meta as it faces increasing competition within the ad tech space, particularly from entities that have established walled gardens like Amazon and Netflix. In the short term, these developments can positively influence Meta's stock price as investor confidence grows around its AI capabilities and infrastructure investments. The market generally favors companies that are proactive in securing their technological future. In the long term, Meta successfully integrates artificial intelligence into its advertising model and continues enhancing its data capabilities, it could position itself as a leader in this transformative sector, leading to sustained appreciation in its stock price. Overall, the combination of strengthened AI initiatives and substantial infrastructure investments could create powerful upward momentum for Meta's shares in the coming months and years. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Meta a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Meta a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified from Meta. The Meta stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support can be anticipated at $766.63 and $724.14. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price which may serve as an early warning. Close attention to the stock is recommended. Some negative signals have also been identified, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, August 4, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.91%. Continued decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $695.21 and $682.35. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $695.21. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $682.35 and $639.43. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.32 between its high and low, which is 1.49%. Over the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 2.07%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.69. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $771.99. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $695.21. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Christopher K. Cox, who bought and sold 13,042 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 2.63. Overall, insiders purchased 1,085,780 shares and sold 1,030,070 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $742.13, reflecting a decrease of 3.53%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we anticipate that Meta will open lower by $3.37, starting at $765.93. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.